So just to put a little FU on that, the engine's warm. I mean, it's like in room temperature. Uh, I've got a since I've been going in on the needles here, I've leaned the high end about fucking 3 hours. And the low end, I've actually leaned out a little bit. So I don't even know where the hell to start it from, but I've leaned it out probably 2 hours. I'm leaving that there. I've got probably less than 1 fucking millimeter tolerance for, when my carburetor's at idle. Probably 0.7 millimeters, I would say. Can't even get a damn paper clip in there. So that's that. I can open the carb. Just yeah, then I'm sure it's feeling that. So. This carb sitting wide open. I don't know. So yeah, it's like 3 hours closed, 4 hours closed. So let's go to factory, or what I would think factory would be on this. We're going to close the top end. I wasn't counting. I'm going to close the bottom end. I'm going to open the bottom 2.5. Recommended is 3. So there's a half. There's a 1. There's a 1.5. There's a 2. And there's a 2.5. So on Traxxas 3.3, this says 3 and 4. So let me open this 3. All right, top end. I can see. There's a half. There's a 1. There's a 1.5. There's a 2. There's a 2.5. There's a motherfucking 3. Okay? So we'll just start out right there. I was actually probably 3 hours off of that on the top. Who knows on the bottom? Probably half an hour. Or 3 hours. 6 hours. So I don't even know. We'll check, see if it's flooded. I reckon. I did this one time and had fuel pour out of there. That was pretty flooded. It's pretty dry, really. I think that maybe need a little more priming. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle. See here, just. Yep. Yeah, both these are good. Just check. So, if I prime it a little stronger, this time, we'll see what this does. I mean, the engine is kind of cold right now. It feels, well, no, it's room temperature. That's another thing, how tight you're supposed to put that thing. I mean, it's tight, you know. It's not air sucking, but I don't see anywhere telling me how to. Let's see, close this on. All right, so we'll prime it a little bit. Okay. That on there and open that up a little bit and see what happens. So maybe prime it a couple more times. Okay, so I'm really clueless. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. Yeah, it's getting fuel now because now I think it is flooded. So let's look at this. Well, I mean, okay. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Huh? No. I figured it'd be really flooded, but it's not. But it's not just not starting. So ideas, recommendations, suggestions. I'm all ears. I'm not going to get another starter. You know, I want to be able to pull start it. I don't want to have to buy something new. Put something. Be able to just pull it and start it. Give a little air and that daggone 420 Traxxas, man. That dude gets me jealous. Just one start, or one pull. Alright, dude. I'm looking for suggestions. I'm gonna stop for now until I hopefully hear from somebody, because I don't know. Alright then.